Hey, what's up everyone, this is Altered Tech back again with another exciting video. In today's video we have the full review of one of the best portable smartphone gimbals on the market, the Vlog Pocket 2. So when it comes to capturing steady video footage, most smartphones are equipped with a stable feature, but if you want to increase your video quality settings to, let's say, 4K at 60 frames per second or even 8K, you'll notice that the stabilization tends to degrade and the video quality also degrades as well. And that's because these video settings require more computing power and the phone just isn't capable of keeping up. And until this is addressed, smartphone gimbals are needed if you want a smooth professional footage at the highest quality settings. But there are so many available options on the market, which one should you choose? In this video, I'll explain why I went with the Vlog Pocket 2 and why I actually enjoy using it. I've used gimbals in the past, like the first generation DJI Osmo gimbal, and unfortunately I didn't have the best experience. With the Vlog Pocket 2, it actually addresses the issues I faced with DJI. Number 1, the Vlog Pocket 2, it's small, it's light, and it's pretty durable. It weighs only 272 grams and it has a payload of about 250 grams. With the DJI Osmo, I couldn't fit this device in my pocket or fold it in half like I can with this. With the Vlog Pocket, it fits nicely in some gym shorts and it doesn't take up much space, whether it be a bag or a book bag. You even get a free carrying pouch to protect your Vlog Pocket from scratches and dings. Speaking of portable devices, the iPhone 12 mini is one of the best phones if you want portability. I'm using this phone and it works perfectly with the Vlog Pocket 2, and with some practice, you can capture some smooth professional footage like you'll see here. Now, I prefer using the stock camera app, but you can actually download the camera app from the manufacturer, which offers a user manual, object tracking, panorama photos, follow mode, and more features. I'll leave a link in the description that goes through all these features and the unboxing of the Vlog Pocket 2. Now, the great thing about this gimbal is the built-in tripod. You can place this on a desk or table or attach it to a tripod. To set up the Vlog Pocket, it may take some practice, but eventually you'll get it running in less than 30 seconds. First, you'll need to unlock the locking mechanisms and then balance your phone. And this is the trickiest part. Like I said, I love to travel and being able to grab some smooth footage in the highest quality video settings is very important. Now here are some sample video footages I was able to take with the Vlog Pocket 2. None of these clips have been edited, and this device really shows off the video capabilities of the iPhone 12 mini. There's no stuttering, panning is smooth, and you can get some cinematic shots as well. When it comes to running, the Vlog Pocket also does a great job. As long as you keep your hands out in front, you should be able to get some great shots. Alright. But what if you decide not to use the Vlog Pocket 2? Here's some footage with me walking and running with the iPhone 12 mini in my hand without the Vlog Pocket. As you guys can see, the video is much more shaky and it's almost unusable unless you decide to edit in post or if you were to choose to record this in 1080p. Now the problem with post editing is that the video actually gets cropped in sometimes and is not always perfect. Now for some more good news, the Vlog Pocket starts only at $89.99 and you can find it on sale from time to time. This is a great deal compared to my certified refurbished DJI Osmo, which broke within the first few months. Since then, I have vowed to stay away from smartphone gimbals and rely on a steady hand, but I'm glad this company reached out to me with this device. This is a must-have if you love vlogging, and I plan on taking this wherever I go in my future travels, so stay tuned to my channel, please subscribe. This device will definitely show up. Now I do have to mention this device can also work in landscape or portrait mode. It feels nice in the hand and it's light enough so you can record for longer periods of time aside from these other heavy gimbals which actually strains your hands. By the way, battery life has been amazing on this device, and on a full charge, I have yet to get this battery to 50% after 2 trips. It's a big upgrade over my DJI Osmo. It's not as loud, panning is smooth, and it's much more comfortable thanks to the size. So when you're done recording, it's also easy to pack up the Vlog Pocket 2 and stash it in your bag or pocket. Now it won't fit in your skinny jeans, but like I said before, it'll fit nicely in your gym shorts or travel bag. Overall, this is the best companion for any vlogger or someone who's looking to get some smooth video footage from their smartphone. Now for the things that I should warn you about. I did notice that the video footage looks slightly better with the iPhone camera app than the Vlog camera app, which I downloaded, which is a shame since the Vlog Pocket camera app has some nice features. As for larger phones, I'm not sure if this gimbal can handle the weight, and trying to balance your phone can take up some time if you're trying to get some quick footage. Now, other than that, this is a great device I can happily recommend to anyone, and I can't wait to take this out on my next adventure. This is AlterTech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. Take care. Peace.